Everyone, today we're testing out a new RC helicopter. Don't fly it, Ron. Don't. I said don't fly it yet.
And as long as you bring it to where you want it, it'll hold it there. You don't even need to give it throttle. Stop giving it throttle.
I'm not.
Now turn. See, you don't even need throttle. It compensates. But if it drops too low, give it a little bit up and it'll hold. Yeah, it's far superior to the Walmart ones, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's made to where kids will be able to fly it.
Alright. Alright. So where it lands on, so when I drop this, that means where you have to land.
It will not be perfect.
See?
Landed on the table, he's still learning, Lane. So bring it down. You bring it down and then have to let it back. Bring it down. Pretty rough.
Alright.
Landed.
Alright, review.
Definitely.
You want to fly it, Lane?
Now I'm recording about it. Let me turn them off first.
Okay, well, might as well put it back on the charger. It's probably going to die soon.
Yeah. That thing is really easy.
It burns up the battery quick because it'll just sit there and hover.
Oh. Alright. So, here's about it. Hold on, let me set up the camera.
Here, I can help you with that.
Oh, I'm good. Do a little harder. Alright. That should be good. Alright. So basically, say said this is easy to fly. It has, look, we got hover right here. Sorry if it's a little bit reversed. Okay, this is the tilt buttons.
Trim.
Yeah, or trim. This is the on button where it goes like this. And what's about the Syma, the Cobra itself? Well, it is pretty good at durability. Charging ports right here, in case if you didn't know, and this is just the on and off switch. See, look. Okay, here's the rotor when you move forwards or backwards. Oh, wait, hold on. Alright, so here's where you move forwards or backwards. Alright. Let me put this back on. Alright. Hold on, let me fix the camera. Alright. So, overall, I will give it a rating on the screen. Oh, hold on, let me fix my camera. God dang it. I keep having to fixing my camera. Yeah. Anyways, that's all for today's video of the test flight of the Syma S55H Cobra. Okay, so Okay. Alright, guys. Subscribe, like, okay, and sorry, I'm gonna get confused a bit. Love you all and bye.
You got your